I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with Attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hi, Jordan. Always a pleasure to be here.
So today's question comes from Joanne. I was involved in an accident during a rainstorm last week. Another car lost control and swerved into my lane, hitting me and injuring my daughter. She apologized profusely and blamed the rain, saying that she couldn't see. Do the conditions matter? Please help.
Well, we hear this all the time. I mean, there's always one defense after another. I've even been involved in cases where defense attorneys use things like rain or snow as a defense to an improper act. There is an absolute duty on the part of a motorist to drive in a reasonably safe manner, given the road conditions, of course. You forget that the average car weighs approximately 4,000 pounds. Given that the weight of the car, you should be especially careful when you're driving your vehicle. Now, the fact that there's sunlight, snowstorms, fog, it doesn't matter. You have to drive given the road conditions and subject to those road conditions. So the driver is at fault regardless of the weather conditions in this situation, and clearly you have a claim for a personal injury case against the driver who drove improperly.
Well, that was my question. What should this person do? Obviously, we've talked about these cases before with weather, and that's not an excuse to not drive in those safe conditions like you mentioned. So what should this driver do next?
You should put your car on the side of the road, and call the police and wait till the police arrive so you get something on record. Number two, you should explain that there's an injury here and you should be taken to either an emergency room or a walk-in center for treatment. Number three, you should contact your insurance company and bring this to their attention. And number four, contact a lawyer. Please remember, I can't emphasize enough that there is an absolute duty of care and a responsibility to drive in a reasonably safe manner, especially given the fact that you're operating a 4,000-pound vehicle.
Okay, well, thank you for your insight into this case. And to ask the attorney your question, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND, or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.